Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another cute wig review. This video is sponsored by Hot Beauty Hair. So let's go ahead and do the quick unboxing. This unit does come in a nice blue silk bag, perfect for storing the unit once you're done. It does come with the little goodies here. Edge brush, some elastic bands if you want to sew that in the wig to make it a little bit tighter, some clips, some bobby pins, and a pair of tweezers. It does come with a plastic pick. And let's go ahead and pull the wig out. So guys, check this out. Whoa, very, very nice copper red color wig. I don't know how this will look on me yet, but y'all stay tuned and see how it goes. See, all the information and specs will be down below in the description box. So this is a full cap wig, no lace, no closure, no anything. It is a full cap wig. It does have elastic bands sewn in, but you can cut them off if you want. It does come with 4 combs and adjustable straps. Just showing you guys the detailed curl pattern and the length. They did a really good job with this color, honestly. So I'm not going to braid down my base. I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail, a low ponytail. And go ahead and just throw a tan cap on. You don't have to do any kind of bald method because there will be no lace showing. So all you need to install this unit and fluff it up will be 3 items, some leave-in conditioner, a pick, and some water. So let's go ahead and install this unit. So this color is definitely in your face and way out of anything that I would try for myself, but let's see how it goes. So yeah, this color is super different for me. Not sure how I feel about it yet, but I can say they did an excellent job in coloring this unit. It's like a bronze red color. It's really beautiful. So the back is a little long. That would need to be cut so it can be even with the rest of the wig. But y'all stay tuned. I will go ahead and spray this down with some water and just fluff it out a little bit. I don't believe it'll be like super fluffy. I think it's more of like a water wave texture. So you guys stay tuned while I style this unit. So here is the finished look. You guys let me know what you think. I do love the length of the bang. And you can play with the bang, position it differently, have it on the side, left or right, split it down the middle. It's a really cute, playful wig. If you're into color and not scared of color, I am terrified of color. But you guys let me know what you think. And again, if you're interested in this unit, the link will be down below, but also visit my Big Cartel site. This exact unit will be on sale for a discount price on my Big Cartel site. So definitely check out that link as well. First come, first serve. So once this one is gone, definitely visit the Hot Beauty Hair website to purchase this unit. All in all, no shedding, no tangling. It detangled very well. I love the curl pattern, and it's a really cute, easy install. Super fast, super beginner friendly. You literally have to do nothing with this wig but take it out, put it on, add some water, style it a little bit, and you're good to go. You're good to go out the door. This unit does come in other colors, so just be mindful of that. Visit the website down below. It does come in natural colors and other colors. So if you don't want to try color, it's okay. They have a natural color for you. So like I said, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe. Bye.